This is how real homemade ice cream is made. Only simple, fresh ingredients. Now, let's add the cream. A little vanilla for flavor, and a bit more sugar. Mix it all together now. All right, let's heat this gently. Heat gently, don't boil. Perfect, it's simmering nicely now. Now put the bowl out for natural cooling. Pour the mixture into the container. Now, add ice and salt around the container to get it cold. Great, now let's start churning.
Keep churning, magic happens here.
Adding some fresh strawberries and rich chocolate. And now for the smooth vanilla. Now, let's churn this into a creamy delight. Let's get the perfect scoop. Look at that creamy texture. Perfect, time for another. The final touch. Worth every second. That's delicious. Now, follow the same process at home and enjoy the delicious ice cream. Subscribe now for more Cozy Farm recipes. See you in the next video.